Ricky Macapas, and today I would teach you and how to create a PowerPoint presentation in your teaching demonstration. So, first thing you have to know is you need to follow your lesson plan as your guide in creating this PowerPoint presentation. No? For example, uh, as you can see, my font size is too big. No? Of course, para divisible siya for the student who sit at the back. No? And also, you must put put that text or information that relevant to your study. No, avoid too much text on your PowerPoint presentation. So you must also consistent with your font style. No, for example, in my PowerPoint presentation, I'd use ano Times New Roman uh, or Arial, no? Basta kahit ko ano siya, kaya formal text. Just like this, no? Okay na to.